This is so freaking cool. All right, here's from the road. That's a big burn pile. It's as big as the caterpillar. This is cool. All of that is gonna go there. Got the edge of the property all cleaned up. They're working on this little ditch back here now. She's coming together, y'all. And then that's our burn pile. It's really big. Over here getting the barn re-strung back together. We're gonna scab it together with bits and pieces from where the old owners knocked down the wall to sell the sheet metal for all the meth. Well, no more meth around here. They're gonna tighten this thing up so it's structurally safe at least, and they can start building the wall again. So this here is Big John. This is Evan. These are my boys. They're here to help. They're awesome. All right, y'all. We're a couple hours into it, and progress is coming along really well. They have a big burn pile starting. This is all a burn pile. That's gonna take, I don't know, 6 months or a year to burn. They're getting it all leveled out back here. Let me turn the camera around. But yeah, that's our burn pile. Now all of that trash and overgrowth is all gone, all the way back to the trailer. So the front 2.5 acres is gonna be able to have grass, and eventually our plan is to maybe have a pond, a 1/4 acre pond somewhere in here, or maybe even up there. I don't really know yet. We haven't got that far. But yeah, this is progress. All of this insulation and old metal and all the old beds and the center block and all the old metal and all that stuff is gonna dig a hole and make it disappear. I love it. And the barn is restructured, supported now, so it's safe.
That way it like kind of rakes out all the shit out there in the field.
Got Big John back here on the new 4-wheeler trail we have in the back of the property. Having a good old time now that there's no trash. We got rid of all the trash. Get us on. Yep, all the trash is gone. He's gonna flip that thing. Give her hell, boy. Now we got our own little circle track. Let's freaking go. So apparently this tree right here, this tree, you see how it curves? It's rotten right there. And our power lines are right there. So we're gonna take this tree down because it's rotten and it's gonna fall that way. So we're gonna use this tree as a snatch block on my winch on the 4-wheeler. Come around that tree, up to this tree, up above the split, and use the winch to pull the tree this way. Saw it, hopefully fall it between these two trees. Either way, we'll see how it goes. John, hold this, come here. So, bring, get over my shoulder.
Yeah, I'm just scared. No, hang on, not right there. No,
He's gonna notch it. I'll back it out.
No.
I'm not, so I'm gonna go a little bit. Hey, Evan, you're recording. Oh, you're the cameraman.
We'll start over then. Start over. Hit it, John. Hit it, John. John.
the gas.
Evan. This is bonfire, dude.
All right, so we got the big scary tree down. We were trying to get it to drop between those trees, and it didn't. It landed on the power lines and then caught on fire. I don't know if you know how hard it is to catch a live tree on fire. It's pretty hard. Needless to say, after the cable on the winch on the four-wheeler that was attached to the tree was then smoking and melting its way into the live tree, we did some repositioning, yanked like a son of a bitch, and got the tree down, and well, here we go. The tree is on the ground. Power lines are still power lining, and nobody died. The top of the tree for sure was on fire. All of that up there was on fire. Transformer's a little smoked up. But hey, electricians do redneck shit here in Alabama, so have a great day. Yeah. Here we go. Watch your ankles. Here we go, going in reverse. All the way up to the burn pit. Here I go again on my farm. Catching trees on fire. Go. We're going to smooth out the front yard a little bit as this happens. All right. Let out my winch. Off for the next shipment of wood. Ain't nothing better than a good time in Alabama. Over here just skinning a rattlesnake. This is awesome. Did just a little bit of dissection of a beautiful little timber rattler. Gonna get the skin off this thing. Oh, Big John over here already got it split down the middle. Now he's pulling the skin off the meat. Gonna yank this thing off like a band-aid here in a minute. Oh yeah, you're almost there. Yes sir, pull it off like a belt. Fuck yeah. Gotta edit that out. Look at that, look at that, look at that. That's how you skin a beautiful rattlesnake. If we didn't let it sit out in the sun all day, definitely would have eaten it, but got distracted with, you know, setting live trees on fire. And just like that, we got our first rattlesnake skin. Showed up, Big John. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Got Big John with the rattlesnake. Yeah. Man, she's pretty. That's going to make a cool mantelpiece.
A belt.
A belt. A freaking bandana like a freaking Crocodile Dundee, you know? Yes, sir.
Let's get these soon. Yep.
All right, y'all. It's kind of dark, but we do have this awesome light here, so I'm gonna like position myself to where y'all can see. There we go. All right, so this is the 20-foot high, 40-foot wide bonfire that we are slowly getting to catch. But as you see, got a fire going here and one on the other side, which is all of this stuff up here. That one's going really well. Let me turn this. Boom. So the guy that did all the land clearing said, let this sit for a year. But Big John over here said, no, we ain't doing that. Go grab some gas. Well, now we got a full-on bonfire. We have Big John over here dancing in the light because he's kind of tipsy. It's awesome. But yeah, no. So the guy said, wait a year to let this burn. We said, nope. We're just good old rednecks with gasoline, and we don't mind building fires. So the 1 year plan has been reduced to a 1 day plan. And we're doing it. Please like and subscribe. We really do appreciate it. Thanks, y'all.